Meaning of former.
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 Former. Former is an adjective that refers to something that existed previously or held a previous position, title, or status. It indicates a change or transition from one state or condition to another. For example, a former employee is someone who used to work for a particular company but no longer does so. Similarly, a former champion is a person who once held the title of champion, but has since been defeated or retired. Overall, former describes the past association or status of a person, thing, or entity.